Best cheap romantic getaways. Savannah, with its Spanish moss, southern accents and creepy graveyards, is a lot like Charleston, South Carolina. But this city about 100 miles to the south has an eccentric streak. Savannah College of Art and Design students mix with ghost hunters and preservationists, while southern fried restaurants share street blocks with edgy cafes and restored theaters. The quirky characters in the true crime story, Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, say it all. How to save money in Savannah. Book in the odd-season hotel prices fall in January and February, allowing you to get the ambience of a historic district in at the price of a chain. Book a hotel near the airport. The rooms near the Savannah/Hilton Head Airport are very affordable, about $100 plus less than an inn in the historic district. And you're only a quick drive away from all the downtown action. Book online. You can save a few dollars by booking your trolley tour, a must online. Culture and customs. Savannah is the model of the southern city. The people here are well-mannered, polite and friendly. As with other southern cities like Charleston, you should dress up a bit if you want to fit in. The city thrives in tradition and upholding its heritage, so you might encounter a slower pace than you are used to in a big metropolis. So slow down, everyone else will. With the Savannah College of Art and Design here, there is also a younger, artsy demographic. Perhaps as a result of the large contingent of students, Savannah is also well known as a party city, so be prepared to loosen up at night. What to eat? Yes, you're in the South. And yes, you'll find some fried food here, but if that's all you're expecting, then you've got Savannah all wrong. Thanks to its coastal location, Savannah offers a little bit of everything, and it's quickly becoming a formidable culinary rival to Atlanta. If Southern comfort food is what you're after, the Old Pink House should be at the top of your list. Safety. Savannah is known for its southern hospitality and, in turn, is generally very safe. Visitors most likely will not run into any problems, especially in the touristic historic district. However, you should still use common sense when exploring the area and keep an eye on your valuables. Use a cab if you're unsure of where you're going, and walk in groups. River Street, in particular, can get quite rowdy at night. The area outside of the historic district is relatively less tourist-friendly, so you should not go south of Forsyth Park. Getting around Savannah. The best way to get around Savannah is on foot and by car. This compact city of 22 squares, filled with lively fountains, eclectic sculptures, shade trees and flowers, is most easily and enjoyably explored by walking. Driving will enable you to go where your feet can't, but be sure to come prepared with lots of quarters to feed the hungry parking meters.